Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install OpenVPN client profiles on Windows step by step clearly. To install OpenVPN client profiles on Windows, first, ensure you have the OpenVPN client installed on your machine. You can download it from the official OpenVPN website. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation process by double-clicking the installer file. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard to complete the installation. After installing, locate the OpenVPN GUI icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click the OpenVPN GUI icon and select Run as Administrator to launch the application. Next, gather the OpenVPN client profile files from your VPN provider. These files typically come in a .ofn format and may include additional certificate files. Navigate to the OpenVPN configuration directory, usually found in C:\program files /OpenVPN /config. Copy the .ofn files and any additional certificate files into the config folder. To ensure everything is correctly set up, open the OpenVPN GUI again. You should see the profiles appear in the OpenVPN GUI interface. Right-click the OpenVPN GUI icon in the system tray. Select the desired profile from the drop-down list. Click on Connect to initiate the VPN connection. You will see connection logs in the OpenVPN GUI window. Once connected, you will receive a notification indicating a successful connection. To disconnect, right-click the OpenVPN GUI icon in the system tray again. Select Disconnect from the drop-down menu. Your VPN is now successfully installed and configured on your Windows machine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.